Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a beautiful 2014 Harley Davidson V-Rod Muscle I want to show you. It comes with a 1250cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. This bike's got forward mount foot controls. Very low mileage bike. It's a denim white with the gray stripe down the tank. Across the back fender. It's in beautiful shape. It's got less than 500 miles on it. I didn't see anything that stood out at me. Looks like maybe something just rubbed right there. I don't know, that could have been maybe a strap or something in shipping. Inverted forks, dual front disc brakes. Nice aluminum spoke mag rims, polished swing arm, rear disc brake, good tire on the back, got the tail light and turn signals integrated into the rear fender there. That's a 240mm tire on the rear. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. It's got 320 miles. It's no miles at all. Cranks right up. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. Nothing wrong with this one. Qualifies for some excellent financing. Extended warranties. Tach, fuel gauge, speedometer, digital odometer, hydraulic clutch, turn signals here in the mirrors. She's a dandy. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.